Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Today in our pre-bits, let's discuss some of the important international institutions. The first institution, New Development Bank. It is a multilateral development bank operated by BRICS. This New Development Bank established in the year of 2014 in the 6th BRICS Summit at Fort Zella. Headquarter is in Shanghai, China. Important trick to remember the headquarter of this New Development Bank is the headquarter is in Shanghai. It starts with the S. Here the BRICS, yes, BRICS, the last letter ends with the same S letter. Initial authorized capital of the bank is 100 billion. The main aim is to foster the greater financial and development cooperation among the 5 emerging markets, that is among the BRICS countries, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Each participant country will be having one vote and there will be no provision for veto power. Next institution is the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, that is AIIB. It is also a multilateral financial institution. It is proposed by China. It was established in the year of 2016. Headquarter is in Beijing, China. Here also there is a relation, that is AIIB. Last letter is B and the headquarter is Beijing, that is the first letter start with B. The main purpose of this multilateral development bank is to provide the finance to infrastructure projects. The important thing to note is it is providing finance for the infrastructure project in Asia Pacific region. The membership is open to all members of the World Bank or the Asian Development Bank and it is divided into regional and non-regional members. The other important point is the capital of the bank is 100 billion, equivalent to the 2/3 of the capital of ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, and about half that of the World Bank. Next institution is regarding the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, that is SCO. It was established in the year of 2001. It is a permanent intergovernmental international organization. These things are really important, that is permanent intergovernmental international organization. It is a Eurasian political, economic and security alliance and has been the primary security pillar of the region. The SCO Secretariat is based in Beijing. Executive Committee of the Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure, that is RATS, is based in Tashkent. The 8 member states are India, Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. SCO's official language is Russian and Chinese. The next institution is International Energy Forum, that is IEF. The International Energy Forum established in the year of 1991 with its Secretariat of International Staff based in the diplomatic quarter of Riyadh, that is in the Saudi Arabia. The International Energy Forum aims to foster the greater mutual understanding and awareness of common energy interest among its member states. Presently, it has 72 member countries. The unique feature of International Energy Forum is that it comprises not only consuming and producing countries of the International Energy Agency and OPEC, but also the transit states and major players outside the member countries, including Argentina, China, India, Mexico, Russia and South Africa. The International Energy Forum is the neutral facilitator of informal, open, informed and continuing global energy dialogue. The last institution for today is G20. The G20 grouping is an informal forum for international cooperation on financial issues to ensure international financial stability. It comprises of 19 countries plus EU. This G20 group has no permanent staff of its own. It's mainly focused not only on the macroeconomy and trade, but also on a wide range of global issues which have an immense impact on the global economy, such as development, climate change, energy, health, counter-terrorism as well as the migration and refugees. These are regarding the important institutions for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.